Alright, I got a CX-5 6-pinner with a sidebar. There's 5 sliders in the sidebar, and it is a ZKG sidebar. It's also known as the Mark's High Security Cylinder or Scorpion. In Canada, here it's sold as CX-5. I was practicing a little bit with it today, and I think I'm comfortable enough to pick and gut it on camera. Let me just see if I got everything set there. Yeah, it looks like it. So I'm using this custom pick I whipped up earlier. Let me just double check something here. Okay. You can see how much I bent this pick practicing on this CX-5 today. Two appears to be set. Having a hard time feeling number 5 back there, so I'm just going to slide in with a half diamond. I think I overlifted 1 or 2, so I'm just going to go back over the top. See if I can push them down. It's a pretty wide open keyway, but trying to maneuver a pick around those sliders can be a bit of a pain. I feel like I keep accidentally setting number 3 up way too high. Can't really see from this angle, but looking down the keyway, it looks pretty high, so I'm gonna use a shank here and try and send them down. Basically resetting myself on the sidebar here. And there we go. Okay. I have the key. So I'm going to go ahead and lock her back up. Okay, first things first, get these screws off here. I'm gonna dump the sliders out after I drop the top pins. You know, for being a locksmith, I should probably be a little bit better at dumping these cylinders out, but I mainly do SF5C now. Anyways, onto the sliders. Okay, so I'll give you a close up here as well. So you can see the counter milling, which combined with those gin spools can be an absolute nightmare. So yeah, there's the gin spools. And there's the sliders. You can see the false gate and the true gate. True gate being in the middle, false gate being on the bottom. And of course, the gin spools. It's can be a pretty challenging lock to pick. Those gin spools can be a bit of a nightmare. The sliders aren't the worst sliders out there. Those false gates aren't too bad to feel. But yeah, that's all I got. Thanks for watching, and yeah, have a good one.